So here's an update on how my car looks since my last video. I have done a lot of work to this car. I mean a lot, all by myself. And with the help of YouTube, of course, and as well as reading and having my Honda Accord manuals. I have changed out the shocks. I end up getting some eBay coilovers, and they do pretty good for the most part. The inner tie rods, outer tie rods, CV joints, anything suspension wise, I pretty much done changed the whole thing. I had ran into an issue where I had to change out the frame because one of the bolts on the rack and pinion was done. Like the inside bolt of the bolt that was on the inside of the frame had broke off. So I had no choice but to change the whole cross member frame. And being that the car was in the accident before I got the car, everything didn't line up perfectly, but I made it fit. I made it work. I changed out the steering wheel. I added some new colorful lights to my instrument cluster. Android mirror, better system, a tint, some flags, just did all the little works, Only thing now I'm more focused on now and just getting the money up and getting a nice paint job. I don't know if I want to change it to a whole totally different color, but I might just go with the same color I have now, the two-tone. Like the two-tone stands out a whole lot more. I switched out all my lights to LED. I had to get this hyper flash relay to slow the blinkers down, but it shows bright. It shows real good. I end up ordering an alternator from Power Bastards. It cost me about $400, 200 amps. That helped keep up with my stereo system. I got SCAR, everything through the whole car. Equalizer, 6x5 marine SCAR, front door 6x5 SCAR, equalizer SCAR. The radio I use is Auto. I guess I'm pronouncing it right, AOTO. I probably spelled it wrong, who knows? But anyway, for the most part, I did a lot of work to this car by myself, and I'm proud of myself. So if there's a will, there's a way. I saved a whole lot of money doing this myself. And then, oh yeah, let me mention this. When I did my timing belt, the guy that I let do my timing belt before did a shitty ass job. So I redid the timing belt, had everything done myself. So this is me in the car chilling at nighttime, just relaxing or whatever. Is there any more ideas you think I should do to this car besides get a paint job? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you think. But other than that, this is how the car looks now. Thank you for watching. Peace out.